Hello everybody, welcome to my cooking channel. So now I'm going to make fried sardine sandwich. So first of all, I will going to prepare the sardine first. Fry the bawang bakong first. Bawang bakong with chili. Put in the sardine. Put salt and aji. Okay, cook already. Now I'm going to prepare the coating for the bread. First of all, tepung gandum first. About 8 spoon of tepung gandum, then add in water. Turmeric powder. Salt. And then lastly, lime. Lime juice. Take out the seed from the lime. Okay, take out the seed. Okay, so this is how the texture look like. Prepare the bread. Put the sardine in. Cover it. Okay, so prepare the bread with the sardine first. This one for bison, eh? Spicy. Later I will coat it with the pomegranate, then I will fry it. Cook already, and bison one. This is how it look like. Very crispy. This one is fried sardine sandwich. One is for Bryson. This one is not spicy. Look at that, guys, very crispy. Look at that, guys, very crispy there. Cut one piece first. Ooh, still hot. There, spicy sardine there, the intake. This one is fried sardine sandwich, sardine fried sandwich. Very crispy, guys. So long I don't make this one. Last time I always make this one. It got people sell it. This one expensive. You make ourselves can make a lot. Okay.
Thank you for watching with me. If you like our video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Jessicajvst. Yes, that's right. Just type in the search Jessicajvst to view more of our videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.